Hi everybody, welcome to a new project. So I just made the journal memory book and I enjoyed it very much. It was a tutorial from Stamperia. And once I made it, I knew that there were a few things I might do a little differently. Plus I just really liked it and wanted to make it again. So I've made this Christmas memory book. It would make a great December daily. This is Stamperia Make-A-Wish. This will be available again this year, but I think it's under a new name. I'll link it down below where you can go to Scrap and Create and pre-order it if you want to. So here's the front. I kept it really simple because I just loved the way it looked. The edges are rubbed with gold wax. I used this Art Alchemy metallic wax in vintage gold. I'll link it down below. There's the spine. And the last time I had followed the original instructions, which left you with knots on the outside under here, and I didn't like that. This time the knots are on the inside. So, and I also did the page signatures. They're bigger and they have more stuff. So we've got a tuck spot here. And then each signature, let me lift it up, you can see is made of quite a few different things. And a lot of them I rubbed with that same gold, the wax. All right, so we have, and they're all the same. So we have a pattern paper that wraps the entire signature. So here's the back. Then we have a piece of craft cardstock. Then we have 2 sheets of, this is just copy paper, and I just distressed it to make it look old. If you have tea-dyed paper, that'd be awesome. Then we have a piece of green cardstock, and on this piece of green cardstock we've made this little pocket. And then we have 2 more pieces of copy paper. We have another piece of the pattern paper. This is a page out of a sketchbook, and this is a piece of burgundy cardstock, and then a couple more pieces of copy paper, and that's the whole signature. And then because they're folded, then you get them on the other side. We've added a pocket here. Here's the sketchbook paper. Here's the pattern paper. This is the copy paper. Green cardstock, more copy paper, craft cardstock, and pattern paper. And now, of course, you can use whatever you have. You don't have to use the same things I have. I'm just showing you what I used. And then I'll just give you a quick look. And what I did is, and when I get to it, you'll see. Hang on. So on this one, we put that little pocket on the burgundy one, and then in the back one, we put the pocket on the craft one, and then we also moved the big pocket around. This is the very center of the book, and I just tucked this envelope under the string where the pages are sewn in, and this envelope is just one of the on the cut apart sheet with the collection. And there's that. And this one has the big pocket on the craft sheet. And then here's the back one. This one has the big pocket on the green sheet. And I also just did a little stencil here with that wax just to show another way you could decorate the pages. This one has this pocket on the craft. Here's that. And there's that. And then I used one of the circles for a tuck spot here on the inside back cover. And that is that. And originally I intended to jump straight into the tutorial, but the tutorial ended up being longer than I anticipated. So I'm just going to stop here and we will start fresh in the tutorial. Oh, and I meant to show you, I've left these tails. This is where I sewed the pages into the book. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to trim them. I might hang on leave these on and put charms or something on them. I haven't decided. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. We'll make the project. The cutting guide for this will be most likely below the first video, not necessarily this one because I haven't typed it up yet. But it's going to be very, very similar to the last one. The size is really, everything is the same. It's just more pages, and I sewed them in a little different. And that's really the only difference. And so you can, if you want to grab that cutting guide and make your cover and get started, go ahead and do that. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.